horrendously windy at the moment, and this is Martin's first free run a week after he hurt his paws. Marty! Oh, he's over there. A week after he hurt his paws, so he's absolutely loving life at the moment. Totally enjoying his downtime, even though it's really windy. Marty, touch! Good boy, there we go, that's beautiful Marty. And I'm just going to give him a treat. There we go. Good boy. I'm standing on the field. I don't usually venture onto the field because the amount of times I've got lost, totally disorientated, spun around too fast, and then it took me hours to work out where the path was. The joys of being blind. So how are you all doing? What things have you been up to? I know it's been a while since I've done a free run with Marty on his own. Usually he has his pal Sammy with him. Marty! You gonna come? Oh, he's still there, sweetie. Good boy. He doesn't go far when I'm on my own. For some reason, I think he just loves to stay near me. I think it's in his mind he wants to make sure that I'm okay. Of course I'm okay. So I believe, even with the wind being so strong, and it totally throws me off balance, I think I'm heading in the right direction. If I'm not, then I'm not. I thought I'd show you a bit of Marty playing. And as you can hear, he's got the Playbell collar on, which I've explained before what it means. Playtime, and also it's an indication of where the dog is. So hence the reason I can find him, follow him with the camera. It's so nice, even though it's really windy, it's quite cold, but it's actually quite nice just to be out. We've had some rain, which is the first in quite a while. The gardeners would be absolutely over the moon, I'm sure. It's going to be very sunny tomorrow. I think I'm near the path, maybe. Oops, look at that great big hole. Glad I got the cane, otherwise I probably would have gone down that. Yes, simple things pleasure me. Hi Marty, he's saying hello to my wonderful YouTube followers. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. You always are welcome here, and you definitely will be supporting my channel. And I always like making new and creative content, so if there's anything that you want me to do here, let me know. If there's any burning questions that you have about blindness, I'm always happy to answer them. I think he's gone. Maybe I'm just filming the field and trees, and maybe other people. Oh, there's Marty. Hi Mart! So do let me know what you want to see on this channel. I want it to be a place where people can come and learn, but also follow my interesting, well, I say interesting, amusing and serious journeys, daily life as a blind person. I'm trying to follow him. He's not really running around too much. Good play! Go on, sweetheart. He's just following, like, I know the camera's there, Mum. You're filming me. Oh, there he goes. He's trotting. Good lad. So I'm just enjoying being out. It's so welcomed. Over the last few days, guys, I have done a massive sort out of my house. I think loads of people are doing this at the moment. Let me know in the comments below, are you having a huge clear out? I think people are doing this because of lockdown and working from home. It's easier to do these things. And I've had a massive sort out, loads of stuff for the dump, brought a few more things for my house. So I'm feeling pretty positive. Good lad. I'm going to turn this way because I don't want to get too close to the road. So let me know what you've been doing, and have you been taking up any new hobbies, whether it's singing, gardening or things like that. I would love to be more green fingered in the garden. I'm absolutely useless. I don't even know a flower from a weed. Yeah, of course I do, really, but if anyone is a keen gardener or can get me started with some simple things, throw them in the comments below, because I would be so interested. Hi sweetie. To hear them. And I apologise for the really extreme wind on the microphone. As you can probably tell, this is very authentic. This is raw form, no professional camera, no audio kit. So this is just me and my iPhone and Marty. So I'm going to go for now, but thanks for stopping by and watching the video. Give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and I will see you in my next one, guys. Stay safe, take care, bye for now.